Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Display and Lock Screen or Security. This is where Vivo keeps auto lock controls. Once there, find Screen Timeout to set how long the screen stays on, and the auto lock option that enforces locking after screen off. You need your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint to change lock behaviors, so make sure it's handy. This first step gives you control. It prevents the phone from locking unexpectedly, while you change the deeper settings next. Now adjust the specific controls. Set Screen Timeout to a longer value like 30 seconds or 1 minute if the screen turns off too quickly. Next, look for an Auto Screen Lock or Lock After Sleep toggle and disable it if you want a delay after the screen sleeps. Also inspect fingerprint and face unlock settings. Some Vivo models force immediate lock after screen off. Change the setting to delay or disable instant lock. These changes fix most automatic lock issues by altering how and when the phone relocks. Finish by saving changes and restarting the phone. A reboot ensures the new lock rules apply. If you still see auto-locking, temporarily disable App Lock or Private Safe features. They can override system settings. Make sure your system is updated because OS bugs sometimes cause locking issues. If nothing helps, reset lock settings to defaults or remove and re-add your fingerprint/face, then reconfigure. If that fails, contact Vivo support, but usually rebooting or toggling the specific lock toggles solves it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.